Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I'm a pediatric physical therapist with about 30 years of clinical practice. I'm here with my co-instructor. His name is Luca. And Luca is going to teach with me balance ideas. So no equipment. One of the ways you can work on balance. Again, these are things you can do on 2 feet or on 1 foot. Just to make it more fun, we're going to do it on 1 foot with Luca. All right, Luca, can you pick up 1 foot for me? Can you swing one arm like this? Just one, just one. Very good. You still got your balance. Can you swing both arms like this? Very nice. Can you do one and then the other? Whoa, Luca, that is good. All right, now, Luca, I'm curious. Can you swing both arms and your legs? Whoa. 1, 2, 3. Good try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo! You almost made it. All right, and another way you can do it is swinging your arms side to side. Watch out, don't hit me. 1, whoa, 1. Whoa, mama. Ready? 1, 2, yikes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep with it, Bob. I lost it too. Excellent. So just simple ideas with no equipment of how to work on balance. Remember, you can do that on 2 legs or on 1 leg, or if they're really tricky, you can do it standing on 1 foot on your tippy toes. But anyway, hope that's something you can use at home, and we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.